This is our first big trip since the pandemic, so buckle up. But I also didn't vlog everything, so don't get your hopes up. But there will be 2 other vlogs from this same trip coming out soon, so stay tuned for those. Here are my bags, all packed up and ready to go. Now let's head off to Cagayan de Oro. We went on a ship, which wasn't our first choice, but we wanted to bring Yue, and unfortunately airlines in the Philippines aren't the most pet friendly according to a number of personal accounts, so we decided to go on a ship. And even though, yes, we still had to put her in a crate to get her through everything, when we finally got on the ship, we were actually allowed to take her out whenever we needed to, as long as we didn't let her wander around. Yue even got to make some new friends on board, except for the cat that tried to scratch her.
Uy, no.
Hello you. Oh yes, you're so friendly. Oh, they're all crying. Oh, hello little baby. Oh yes. Hello little baby also. Oh, hello. I'm so happy to see you, Yui, are you friends? Are you making friends on the boat?
The ship left at about 7 p.m. and estimated arrival time was about 7 a.m. as well. After saying goodnight to the pups, we got ourselves set up in the tourist bunks. Yeah, I brought my Snorlax sleep mask, even though I knew I wouldn't get any sleep in that ship, which I didn't. So at about 2 in the morning, my sister and I decided to explore the ship. Here is the restaurant slash cafeteria slash just eating space. I don't know what to call it. Here are the plans of the ship. Here's a little arcade thing, which I would have loved to spend all night on, but I don't carry around 100 yen coins. Here's the karaoke room, which would have been fun, but my sister and I would have woken up the entire ship if we got hold of the mic. I'm not even kidding. Here's a little prayer room, and here, by the way, is what I looked like snooping around the ship. Still wearing that sleep mask, even though I never used it once on this trip. I was in denial. Here's me going up the stairs, even though I wasn't sure if I was allowed up there, so I ran back down. So yeah, after our pointless adventure, we just went back in our room thing, and I had midnight snacks, because what else was I gonna do?
Yes! Oh! Hello, Mako? Didn't notice you there. Where's Varric? I need to ask him something. Can't say that I've seen him, but I've been kind of busy, rehearsing for a big scene. There's gonna be some crazy...
Fast forward to the next day. The next day when we arrived, first thing on the agenda was to go to the cemetery to visit my grandparents' graves. Here we are on the way to the cemetery. I have no clue why the hell I looked so concerned. I think Yue was the most excited when we eventually arrived.
Oh, wow.
Now, I didn't film too much of this trip because it was just a whole lot of family stuff a lot of the time, but I did film around my family's farm, so I'll show you guys some of that. It's mainly a mango farm, but there's also a bunch of banana trees, coconut trees, a crap ton of other plants, and a few farm animals as well.
Do, Allah, it bit you na.
Hello. Hello. May pamalit ka na, wait? Wala pa. I was patting that on ganyan.
Oh, yes, hello. Oh. Hello. Yeah, but they know her.
Oh, no.
Damn, you suck.
I don't want to force them.
Come here, can I lift you, please? Can I lift you? Okay? I lift you, okay?
You're gonna...
Come here. Oh no. It's okay, no.
I filmed a lot of the goats and bunnies because I sent those videos to my girlfriend because she wanted to see them. But we also had pigs and cows.
I don't know if you guys can see, but the cow is like super far ahead, and I would walk all the way there, but it's muddy because of all the rain and whatnot, so I'll stay here. But there's a cow, if you can even see it.
And I didn't film the pigs because they stink. No offense. And yeah, I didn't film too much because I'll be honest, I don't know my way around. We only get to visit the farm every so often, but what you saw was a decent amount of it. Oh, and here's what I looked like filming around. Anyway, that was just a couple of days of our first big trip since the pandemic. Like I said, I didn't film too much of this trip because a lot of it was just family stuff, but I do have a couple fun videos coming out from this same trip for you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see them, so please stay tuned. In the meantime, if you guys want to see more travel videos from me, I'll leave the link to my playlist of travel videos down below. I also make fitness and food related content, so if you want to see more of that, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and do all that stuff. It really helped me out. I upload new videos every single Saturday. All my links, my social media, as well as my business email will be down below, so check that out if you guys want to. And that's been it. I'm out, guys. Peace. Hwah!